Hey guys, what's up? This is Dr. 54 known as XXX Insanity XXX, and today we're going to be playing something called Chatbot, or whatever it's called. I don't remember what it's called. What was it called? FakeTalk Chatbot. Today we're going to play with S-Dog, known as Stacy, I guess. This is kind of like, I don't know what it's kind of like. I haven't played it before. I waited so I played it with you guys. And here we go. Let's just be formal. Not Helk. What does that even mean? Hello. Anybody there? Oh, hi. Okay. Took a long time to respond. Hi. How? How? Wow. How are you? I'm just gonna be formal. How are you? Not so well. Why? Why are you not so well, Q? Why are you not so well? Okay, I'm not. Well, I'm doing fine. Thanks. Okay. Okay, this has been a weird conversation, so right. Hello, hi, how are you? Not so well, Q. Why, why are you not so well? I'm not. Well, I'm doing fine, thanks. Alright, dear. Hey, you wanna know something? Sure. Grr, wow. This keyboard, I'm sorry. Sure. Why not? Okay, is this kind of like Evie? I watched I almost said Jackaplier. I watched Jacksepticeye play Evie, and this is kind of similar to Evie. This is kind of like Evie, because she's retarded in a nice way. Why did you want to tell me? That's the same thing when you put a exclamation mark after it. Why did you tell me you wanted to tell me something then? You're confusing. Okay, look, I'm gonna play just for like one more minute because this is hurting my head. Hmm. Do you play GTA 5? It's a good game. You have to ask people this. Okay, you obviously don't know what GTA 5 is. You don't have levels. You have characters. You have guns. You can upgrade them. You can't upgrade your character. You can get them new clothes, stylish and stuff. But how you... What? That makes no sense. You obviously haven't played GTA 5. Unless... Oh, she says, are you there? You... Don't up. You don't level up in the entire game. You get stronger, I guess. It's not really leveling up. You don't really get stronger. Not in the game. My mommy says that's not correct. It's not bad. GTA 5 is awesome. Why would it be bad? Okay, obviously I don't understand this. I'm gonna just save it for another day. If you guys like this video, like it. If you disliked it, don't like it. But obviously subscribe. And goodbye. We'll play with S-Duck. Another time. Okay, she's kind of like Evie, but she doesn't. She responds. Okay, well, bye guys. We'll play it again.